To make a Blue Lagoon cocktail, this is all you need.
Take a highball glass and fill it full with ice cubes. Add 20 ml of non-alcoholic blue curacao syrup in the glass. Take any vodka of your choice and add 60 ml of vodka in the glass. Then add lime juice by squeezing one fresh lemon in the glass. Give it a nice stir so that the lime juice mixes well with blue curacao and vodka. Here to top up, I am using lemon-flavoured Campa. You can use any carbonated drink like Sprite or 7-Up. Garnish the edge of the glass with an orange slice. Use the straw and enjoy the Blue Lagoon cocktail in the summer.